Fine, let us go with the problem number 9 here, right? So we need to compare, right? What they have given here is a 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2, which is less than or greater than or equal to 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So let us check out. It's a very simple one. What you need to do, you need to simplify it and then you need to compare, right? To start with this, so take this first one and this second one, we need to compare. Right, let me take first one, that is 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2. Right, observe the denominator here. First one is 6 and second one is 2. Take a LCM for it. LCM of 6 and 2. You know how to take LCM? By division you do it. 6 and 2. Start dividing by 2. 2 3s are, 2 1s are. Further division is not possible, right? So 3 1s are 1. Right, now 2 3s are 6 is the LCM for this. Right, now you know how to simplify also, right? 6, divide 6 by 6. Right, when you divide 6 by 6, right, you're going to get 1. Right, 1 that should be multiplied with the numerator 5 minus, so divide 6 by 2, that is 2. 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3 that into 1. That is going to be 5 1s are 5 minus 3 1s are 3 by 6, which is going to be 5 minus 3 is 2 by 6. Right, further simplification is possible because both 2 and 6 is a multiple of 2. Divide it, so 2 1s are and 2 3s are. Right, we got this is going to be, first one is 1 by 3. Right, now let me go with the second one, that is going to be 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Now take this 4 and 3, right? Take a LCM of 4 and 3. By observing 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers, right? Co-primes to each other, so it is not divisible. 4 is not divisible by 3 and 3 is also not divisible by 4. Just multiply it, which is going to be the LCM, that is 12 is the LCM, right? Now divide 12 by 4. That is 4 divided, 12 divided by 4 is going to be 3. Right, 3 should be multiplied with the 3 minus 3. So 12 divided by 3, which is going to give you 4. That should be multiplied with 2. So now simplify it here. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 2s are 8 by 12. Right, 9 minus 8 is going to be 1, and so this is 12. Right, second one is 1 by 12. Now you need to compare here, right? Which one here, whether 1 by 3 is greater or 1 by 12 is greater, that we need to check out. Right, which is not going to be equal. Right, this is not the right answer, this is not going to be the right answer. Either this or this is going to be the right answer. As the numerator is 1 here and the denominator is this bigger one, right? So this is going to be the lesser one. So that's what 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 12. So the option B is going to be the right one. Right. Hope you understood. Or otherwise you can divide 1, that should be divided by 3. Right. 0 point, you can take 0. 3 is 9. Right. 10 minus 9 is 1. Right. Let me stop here. You can take this now 1. That should be divided by 12, 0 point, so I'll take 0 again. It is going to be less than the divisor 12. Take 0 here and add 0 here. Right, 12 9s are, 12 8s are 96, right? 96, subtract here, 4 will come, but here 0.08, here 0.3. So this is bigger than this. So that's what option B is the right one. 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 12.